Welcome back to NDE HealthTech Academy. I'm Alexis Nde, co-founder of NDE HealthTech Solutions. Today, we're exploring one of the most important frameworks in DevOps, the CALMS framework. CALMS helps us understand the 5 core principles that make DevOps successful: culture, automation, lean, measurement, and sharing. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how these principles help teams collaborate better, deliver software faster, improve reliability, and create stronger business and healthcare outcomes. Now let's begin by looking at the CALMS framework as a whole. CALMS is one of the most recognized models in DevOps and represents the 5 core principles that drive successful software delivery. The letters stand for culture, automation, lean, measurement, and sharing. Each pillar plays an important role, but together they create a complete DevOps culture. Organizations that embrace all 5 principles deliver software faster, improve quality, reduce risk, and encourage continuous improvement. In the next few sections, we will explore each principle individually, beginning with culture. Culture is the foundation of every successful DevOps organization. DevOps is not just about tools or automation, it's about people working together toward a common goal. Developers, operations engineers, quality assurance teams, security professionals, and business stakeholders must communicate openly and share responsibility throughout the software development lifecycle. Instead of blaming one another when problems occur, DevOps teams focus on collaboration, trust, transparency, and continuous learning. Without the right culture, even the best technology cannot deliver successful DevOps. The second principle is automation. Automation allows organizations to replace repetitive manual tasks with reliable and consistent processes. Instead of manually building applications, running tests, configuring servers, or deploying software, DevOps teams use tools such as GitHub Actions, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, and Terraform. Automation improves speed, reduces human error, increases consistency, and allows engineers to spend more time solving business problems instead of performing repetitive work. It is one of the key reasons why DevOps teams can deliver software quickly while maintaining high quality. The third principle is lean. Lean focuses on delivering maximum value while eliminating unnecessary work. Every activity should contribute to improving the customer experience or increasing business value. Teams continuously evaluate their processes, remove bottlenecks, reduce delays, and simplify workflows whenever possible. By applying lean principles, organizations become more agile, improve productivity, and respond faster to changing customer needs. The fourth principle is measurement. Successful DevOps teams rely on data instead of assumptions. They monitor key performance indicators such as deployment frequency, lead time for changes, change failure rate, mean time to recovery, and overall system availability. These metrics provide valuable insights into system performance, software quality, and operational efficiency. By measuring the right data, teams can identify problems early, make informed decisions, and continuously improve their delivery process. The final principle is sharing. DevOps encourages organizations to build a culture where knowledge is openly shared across teams. Documentation, code reviews, mentoring, technical discussions, retrospectives, and collaboration all contribute to continuous learning. Instead of knowledge remaining with one individual or one department, everyone benefits from shared experience and best practices. When teams share knowledge effectively, they innovate faster, solve problems more efficiently, and build stronger engineering cultures. Let's look at how the CALMS framework applies in a healthcare environment. Imagine a hospital deploying a new patient portal that allows patients to schedule appointments, view laboratory results, and securely communicate with their providers. Developers build the application, security teams ensure HIPAA compliance, operations teams maintain the cloud infrastructure, and automated pipelines deploy updates with minimal downtime. Performance monitoring helps detect issues before they impact patients, while collaboration across departments ensures reliable and secure healthcare services. This is an excellent example of how DevOps principles improve both technology and patient outcomes. Let's finish today's lesson with a career accelerator. During DevOps interviews, employers often ask candidates to explain the CALMS framework. A professional answer would be, the CALMS framework stands for culture, automation, lean, measurement, and sharing. These 5 principles provide the foundation for successful DevOps by improving collaboration, automation, continuous improvement, operational visibility, and knowledge sharing across the organization. If you can confidently explain each principle and provide real-world examples, you'll stand out during technical interviews. Before moving on to the next lesson, let's review what you've learned today. Can you explain what each letter in CALMS represents? Why is culture considered the foundation of DevOps? How does automation improve software delivery? Which DevOps metrics help organizations measure performance? And finally, why is knowledge sharing essential to continuous improvement? If you can confidently answer these questions, you've mastered the CALMS framework. Thank you for joining me today. In our next lesson, we'll explore DevOps roles and responsibilities and examine how different professionals work together throughout the DevOps lifecycle. I'm Alexis Nde, and I'll see you in the next lesson here at NDE HealthTech Academy.